Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today in this video we are going to show you how to create schedule flow. So first of all, what is schedule flow? Schedule flow is a flow when you want to run your flow after a specific period of time, like after 1 minute, after every 1 minute you want to run your flow, after 1 hour you want to run your flow, after every 1 hour you want to run your flow, and after like every week at a specific time you want to run your flow. So it would be a scheduled job, and it would be running on its own. Okay, let's get started and click over here, schedule flow. Just give the name. Let's suppose we are going to send email in this scheduled flow after a specific number of minutes or number of hours. Send email after every minute. We can set over here what is the start date, what is the start time. So today is 4 July, and you can start today is 1. So you can put any time in the past, but it will be getting started from now. If you put past time, if you put future time, if you select future time over here, then it would start at that time. Let's suppose at this moment it is 1:14 p.m. and if you put future time, let's suppose 1:14 p.m. and if you select 5:30 p.m. so it would start running from 5:30 p.m. but now I'm selecting past time, so it would start running now. After every 1 minute you can put, after every 10 minutes you can put anything you want, and you can select like it would be running after every after seconds, after a minute, hour, day, week, every month. So it is up to you. So I have selected minute, 1 minute, create. Now time has been set over here. After every minute it would start running. I will create action. What you will do after every minute? I will send email to Outlook, send email, and put email address LN. This is my email address, subject, and email has, let's suppose it's a reminder for your time entries. Please fill your time sheet for this month. Thank you. So this body will be in the email body, and this is the subject, and this person will receive. You can put any email over here. Just click save and check flow. Now there is no error, there is no warning, and we can check over here in email address, because as soon as I save this, it started running. See my email, and after 1 minute second email will come. Let's wait. I'm not pausing my video just to show you after every minute I will be receiving emails from that flow. So I received at 1:17, and let's check at 1:18. Okay, I'm pausing my video and I will start. Okay, now it's almost 50. Let's check. See, as soon as it turns to 1:18, second email has come, and I'm going to pause my video and I will resume it at when we will be having seconds, 50 seconds. Now it's almost 50 seconds, and you will see when it will turn to 119, I will be receiving 30 mail. See, first, second, third, 117, 118, 119. So this is scheduled flow, and you can check this flow history as well. Send email after every minute. Go over here and check run history. So you will see after every minute it is running. So this was schedule flow, and you have to set time over here, and then after this time it will start running this action, whatever action you have. You can send email, you can create record in Dynamics 365, you can get RSS feeds from anywhere, from some websites, and you can post any specific message to Microsoft Teams. You can post different things on your social networking websites after a specific time. So you can do different actions for this, and you have to use those connectors. Like if you are using Facebook, you are going to use Facebook connector. If you are going to use Twitter, you are going to use Twitter connector. If you are going to use Dynamics 365 in your actions, you have to use Dynamics connector. If you are going to use over here in the actions Microsoft Teams, then you have to use connector from Microsoft Teams. I'm just going to show you, because now the video is almost done. I'm going to show you. If you want to send messages to team, just write Teams over here and it will show the connector. Then you can perform different actions for the Teams. For Facebook, you can use this connector and you can perform different actions from the Facebook. In the same way, Twitter, you can use different actions from the Twitter if you use this connector. LinkedIn, Dynamics 365. So you can use different connect. There are almost more than 250 connectors, I think, in the flow. You can use, and you can perform different actions on the behalf of those connectors. So hope you guys like this video, and see, now I am receiving emails after every 1 minute. So I hope you like this video, and please do let me know how did you find this video. Thank you. Bye.